In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view comments in Confluence, an incredibly useful tool for team collaboration and documentation. Whether you're new to Confluence or just looking to refine your navigational skills, accessing comments on Confluence pages is essential for keeping track of team discussions and insights. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll begin on your Confluence homepage. This is your central hub, giving you access to all the spaces and pages you're working on. From here, you want to choose the workspace you need. Workspaces in Confluence are like virtual rooms where specific teams or projects collaborate. Selecting the right one ensures you're on track and viewing the relevant documents for your current project. Once you're inside your workspace, your next step is to decide on the specific page where you'd like to view the comments. Each page in Confluence can host a wealth of information and various discussions in the form of comments. Navigate carefully through your list of pages until you find the one you're interested in reviewing. Just click on the page title to access it directly. As you open the page, take a moment to glance over its content. A good indicator that a comment is present is a highlighted line on a specific paragraph or word. This line signifies that someone has left additional insight or a query related to that particular section of the document. It's a seamless way to see if there are any ongoing discussions related to the content on your page. To dive deeper into these discussions, simply click on the highlighted line. You'll see the comment pop up instantly, providing you with the full text and additional details of the conversation. This feature makes it straightforward to read, respond to, or add your insights to the comment thread, encouraging seamless communication and collaboration with your team. Feel free to explore these comments, reply with your thoughts, or even start a new discussion, depending on your needs. Remember, the comments section is your opportunity to engage directly with your colleagues on relevant topics, ensuring everyone is aligned and all concerns are addressed efficiently. By following these steps, you'll find it easy to stay up to date with ongoing conversations, keep documents comprehensive, and collaborate effectively with your team. This skill is crucial for maintaining clarity and transparency within your projects, ensuring that everyone involved is on the same page. That's it for today's guide. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you enhance your experience with Confluence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and let us know in the comments below if there's anything else you'd like to learn. Happy collaborating!